Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix microphone not working on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your microphone is not working on your Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on Start menu. Then type here microphone privacy setting. Click on microphone privacy settings. Guys, you can see here microphone access. You have to make sure this option is enabled. If this option is disabled, you just need to enable this one. And below you can see second option, let apps access your microphone. This option also should be enabled. If it is disabled, you just need to enable this option. And you need to scroll down a little bit. Below you can find for the particular app. Example, you can see this is Skype. If you are using for Skype, you have to make sure that Skype microphone is enabled. Guys, you have to make sure the microphone is enabled to your Skype app. If it is disabled, you just need to enable this one and close this window and check whether it is fixed or not. If not, then try the second method. Click on Start menu and type here settings. Click on settings. Click on the system, come to the right section, click on the sound. You have to scroll down a little bit. You can see here input. Here you need to select your current microphone. After selecting your current microphone and close this window and check whether it is fixed or not. If not, then try the third method. Click on Start menu and type here mmsys.cpl and click on mmsys.cpl. Guys, under this you can see here recording tab. Just click on recording and here you need to select your microphone. Click on the microphone and click on set default. After selecting default, click OK and close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix microphone not working on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.